Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 14. Talking positively about the restaurant.
So, how did you like the restaurant?
I thought that it was very good.
I felt the food was excellent.
What did you like the best?
I liked the fish the best.
I liked the fish also, but I really enjoyed the dessert the most.
Yes, the macadamia cakes were wonderful.
Wasn't the service top-notch?
Yes, the waiter was very attentive.
I hope to be able to come back to this restaurant soon.
Did you like the restaurant?
It was pretty good.
The food was wonderful.
What was your favorite dish?
The fish was my favorite.
Yes, the fish was great, but the dessert was awesome.
I agree that the macadamia cake was awesome.
Didn't you think that the service was the best?
Yes, our waiter really went out of the way for us.
I would like to return to this restaurant soon.
How do you feel about this restaurant?
I really liked it.
I really enjoyed the food.
What did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed the fish the most.
The fish was pretty special, but I loved the dessert.
The macadamia cake was out of this world.
I really felt that the service was exceptionally good.
Yes, the service really added to the experience.
I am looking forward to returning to this restaurant. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.